How to update nominee in HDFC Bank account. First of all, log into your HDFC NetBanking account using your customer ID and password. After logging in, go to the Request tab in the main menu. From the drop-down options, select View or Update Nomination Details. You will see options to update nominee details for your saving account, current account, fixed deposits or recurring deposits. Select the account type and then click Continue. Next, choose the specific account for which you want to update the nominee. Now, you will see your account number, and under the Action menu, there is an option to view or modify nominee. Click on it. Now, update the nominee details such as the nominee's full name, relationship with the account holder, date of birth if the nominee is a minor, contact information, and other relevant details. If the nominee is minor, provide the details of the appointee who will manage the account on behalf of the nominee until they reach adulthood. Review all the details carefully before submitting a request. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation message with a reference number. HDFC Bank will process your update request and the nominee details will be updated in your account records. And that's it. Now you know how to update nominee in HDFC Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.